Swami on several occasions had supported Sri Lanka for the war against Lite and was criticized as pro-Lanka by the opponents. Swami at a point has talked of conferring India's highest civilian award Bharat Ratna to Mahinda Rajapaksa for eliminating Lite.
For the sake of integrity of the nation, the Indian Army, the Indian BSF, the Indian CRP are sufficient. I have used to be given this argument when LTT had practically captured Tamil Nadu in 1991 January. I was a minister in charge. I dismissed the government. Everybody said the same thing, that they will start a separatist movement. Not even one cycle was burnt. So law and order is something we know how to handle, and for the sake of the country's integrity, we don't care who goes on fire, but we will get it done.
Subramaniam Swami, speaking on the Kashmiri Pandit issue, said that they can only return to the valley once their houses and the area they were to reside in are secure. He urged immediate deployment of security forces for the job.
5 lakh Hindu Pandits have been sent across. Now they can't be asked to go back because they are insecure. So in order to create the condition, we should send 10 lakhs ex-servicemen with weapons and money. Let them settle down there for 1 or 2 years and recover the houses which belong to the Kashmiri Pandits. After that, the Kashmiri Pandits can return.
At a time when terrorism is visible in various parts of the world and ISIS is a big concern, Swami feels ISIS is turning out to be a concoction of Al-Qaeda, Taliban and Lashkar-e-Taiba. He says do not be surprised if some ex-Iraq army people are also seen siding with the terror mongers.
So ISI is now amalgamating Al-Qaeda, it is amalgamating Taliban, it's amalgamating Lashkar-e-Taiba, Harkatul, whatever. All these are getting integrated because they have captured the oil fields of Iraq. So they are very rich people. And many of the ex-army people of Iraq are also now part of the thing. They are very professional people, they can train people. And I am 100% certain that in India, if we don't put a check to it, this will gain.
So, at a time when Subramaniam Swami has opened quite a few fronts, does he feel there is a threat to his life?
I am a really religious man, so I have complete faith that if I am working for a task which is for the benefit of the country, nothing can happen.
You never think about your...
No, I've never known fear all my life. In the emergency also people ask me, aren't you afraid? And I came into parliament, I had an arrest warrant in my name, and Mrs. Gandhi and Sanjay were no Democrats. Anything could have happened, but I took that risk and succeeded.
Powered by NNIS.